We do begin at the origin when graphing.
Origin story.
Origin story. Who's got another one?
I like oranges.
I like oranges. Yay, math!
Yeah!
So, look, math is creative. We don't have to go by ones here because we're trying to go all the way up to 28, even to 32. So, would you like to make each one 2 or 4? 2? You like it? I like 2. I like 2. So let's mark each of the vertical axes by 2. And it's a judgment call, basically. It's your job to think about what would work best based on the data. And that's part of the fun. 6. Oh, what's wrong with me? I mean, nothing. I made a mistake. Yes. No, I'm good. 8, 10. Okay, friends. Now, back to Salty. Yeah, no, take your time. I want to pick it up with Salty Sue here. You mentioned graphing maybe Y first or X first. You could do it in any order, really, whatever's comfortable for you. And the high C's my, there you go, there you go. So I'm gonna do the original, let's do 1, 4 actually, because that was our unit rate. Let's do 1, 4. X is 1, meaning, are we moving 1 to the right or 1 up? X is 1, meaning, are we moving 1 to the right for days or 1 up for fish? This is good. I love the perfect question. Hold it. Raise your hand if you think you know. Okay. I'm going to ask it again, like half the room. This is great. I'll ask one more time. X is 1, meaning, are we moving 1 to the right for days or are we moving 1 to the right for fish? Call it out now. Call it. Days. Are we moving to the right or up?
To the right.
To the right is correct. X is 1. Y is 4, meaning we're going in which direction? Up to 4. Correct. Bravo. And what's fun too, I would recommend at least one time writing 1, 4 next to it so that you know what point it is. Can you do that on your page? Good job. Let's also rock with 0, 0. Okay, let's put 0, 0. You probably know where it is. Put it on your page.
It's in that corner, right?
It is. The point 0, 0 has a special name. It's called the origin. All right, you could write that there as well, so you have some great vocab.
Where it all begins. Origin is where it all begins.
It's where it all begins. Oh, it's actually, I thought it was kind of like you were just riffing, but you're right. We do begin at the origin when graphing.
Origin story.
Origin story. Who's got another one?
I like oranges.
I like oranges. This. Sorry. I am a sucker for these puns. This is great. Okay, here we go. Let's graph 2, 8 together. 2, 8. X is 2. Y is 8. Go ahead and throw it on your page. And then when you see it on the board, if you had that, go, ah, if it matches what I have. No, I haven't done it yet. If you see it on the board, you do it first. You do it first. And then see if it matches what I have. I'm doing it now. All right, count of 3, say if this is what you have too. Woo, all right, that's a lot. All right, let's go 3. Let's go 3, 12. 3, 12, baby. Who can see what happens graphically when we're dealing with proportional relationships? And here's a hint, friends. The way that you're answering this question right now is the answer. Isn't that true?
It goes in like...
Who knows the answer of what shape you see? Correct, call it out. It forms a what?
A line.
A line. It forms a line, that's right.
It's climbing up in a diagonal line.
It is. It
It's
is.
forever.
It will. Well, depending, technically, graphically it would. So a way to do that graphically is to throw an arrow on it, right? You could also answer questions graphically. Let's say our friend, your name is? Soggy Steve. Soggy Steve said he wants to answer the 7 question with 28 days. Let's say it went over to 7. right? There's 7 days, so right around there. If you follow up 7 until you get to your line, follow 7 up, it will match with what number of fish?
It goes all the way up to 28.
Yeah.
Real tall.
Right.
Almost as tall as me.
Right. If you match 7 days all the way up, you'll also match to 28 fish, and this point would be 728. Very nice. Now, yes, you have a question, please?
How do you know that that's how far up you go?
It could go as far as you want to graph the line, depending on how many points you have.
On the graph,
On the-
it has the lines and the boxes, and you just mark those lines.
Yes, you can mark where it goes. So let's say on the line, let's say I gave you a graph, let's just say, or graph. Let's say I gave you a graph, and you're like, wait, what would 7 match to? What would 7 match to? 7 days, 7 days. So you go to 7 days, and you just follow it up until you reach the line. I didn't actually do that. You follow it up until you reach the line, and bam, I hit the line. So this is when days is 7. Do you see that? I haven't gone to 8, and I haven't gone to 6. Do you see that so far? That it's 7 days? So then you say, where does this match on Y? Where does this match for fish? And it would match at 28 fish. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
A little more? Okay. Wonderful.
It's like reading your multiplication tables.
It's basically multiplication. Yeah. So I wasn't planning on doing this, but I think you're ready. Yeah, I'll do it real quick because I think you're ready. I want to give it a try. Is the following equation true? And then we have one more thing on the back and we're done with that. Good. Is y equal to x? Y equal to x? Well, maybe it is one time. It is for 0, 0. But generally speaking, is all the y's equal to the x's? It's not. It's not. I challenge you. Wait, yes. Good. I'm glad people get it. You're going to call it out soon. I challenge you to put a number here times x. Wait. Good though. Good. What would this number be? That is the equation that models this and this graph, the relationship of what you do to x. The relationship of what you do to x so that it becomes y. Call it out now, everyone. Multiply by 4. That's right. Now, this is a challenge. This is kind of another grade up. But bravo. Yeah, that's the equation. So you can even write it. What? Isn't it? Fish equals 4 times the number of what? Fish equals 4 times the number of what? Days. Good. All right, well done. Any questions on this before we flip the page? Questions?
Hello, Yay Math friends. I recently learned that only 5% of people watching Yay Math's videos are actually subscribed to our channel. We've got to get that number up. I kindly ask that you subscribe to help Yay Math grow and help reach and inspire even more people in their learning. Thank you so much, and Yay Math!